Well, good afternoon. We begin with new developments in that triple homicide case at WestFest in West Valley City.
Yeah, today questions remain about what exactly happens next here with a 16-year-old suspect accused of killing a baby and 2 other people. News specialist Shara Park joined us live from the Salt Lake County DA's office. And Shara, what have you learned today?
Yeah, Mike and Debbie, the question today is, will the 16-year-old be tried as an adult in this case, and when could those charges be filed? I actually just received a statement from Salt Lake County District Attorney Sim Gill on what that timeline could look like. Let me share that with you. It says, we are awaiting a formal presentment to screen the case, which we anticipate happening in the next 24 to 48 hours. At that point, we will be able to review the complete evidence presented and make our decision based on the review of that information accordingly. Now, the 16-year-old boy accused of shooting and killing 3 people and injuring 2 more at WestFest Sunday was booked into a Salt Lake County Juvenile Detention Center on 3 counts of homicide. In speaking with KSL legal analyst and longtime defense attorney Greg Skordas, he says in Utah, we have a law that if an individual is 16 or 17 and commits a serious crime like murder or aggravated murder, the case doesn't need to go through a certification hearing in juvenile court to be moved to adult court. It can be filed directly, which he thinks the DA will do.
When the crime gets this serious, the district attorney probably doesn't have much choice, and the victims' families are certainly going to ask for the most punishment, because in the juvenile system, if you think about it, you can only serve until you're 21, which maybe that's 5 years on a triple homicide. I think a lot of people would feel like that's just not enough.
Yeah, well, I asked Skordas if the fact that only 1 victim was the suspect's intended target and the other 2 were caught in the crossfire, could that have an impact on the charges filed against the teen? He said no. Intent to murder is intent, whether that person takes 1 life or that person takes 3. Now, the parents of the 8-month-old baby that was killed, they wrote in a GoFundMe, what was meant to be a joyful Father's Day celebration became the most heartbreaking night of our lives. They're now trying to raise enough money to go back to Guatemala to bury their child. We have a link to their GoFundMe on our website right now at KSLTV.com. Debbie and Mike will send it back to you.
Story's heartbreaking. All right, Shara, thank you.